The events of 2020 have brought virtual trials to us. And the industry experts agree that moving forward, virtual trials are not going away. As a matter of fact, most of the proceedings will at least stay hybrid, where even if both parties with their counsel and witnesses are in the physical courtroom, at least the court reporter will stay virtual, which means we will have access to both in-person and virtual presentation options. One of those tools is Central Repository that I want to talk to you about. Essentially, it's a space on the cloud with predefined folder structure and previously agreed upon users. It could be set up by a third party to make sure that there is no conflict of interests by one party having more permissions than another. A typical folder structure would be pleadings, one party's documents, second party's documents, common documents, and then exhibits. The beauty of that setup, should documents need to be added or exchanged in a short period of time, everyone is looking at the same final version of the same document. And should there be any issues, each party will be having the same issue, and the resolution of it can be discussed on a group basis. The idea here is to maintain the flow, continuity of your presentation, but also it creates extreme ease of access. And should new users to be added, it will be seamless. Who can have access to the central repository? Of course, each party's counsel, the court, each party's support staff, law clerks, legal assistants, and the client should have access to the folder of at least the exhibit section. The beauty of it is that rather than circulating amendments or final changes by email, everyone who has access, who should have access, just goes into the previously agreed upon folder, and one can send a link or simply say, look at the new documents I uploaded into my folder. Another beauty of having central repository in the virtual world is that during examinations of witnesses, should they be marking up certain documents, one can take a snippet of it, save it as a PDF or JPEG, and drop it right into the exhibits section and eliminate the step of circulating exhibits in the end of the day. If you need assistance designing or setting up your central repository, reach out to Wisdom. We'll be more than happy to assist.